Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn how to use fields and section with Lightning App Builder in Salesforce. So if you are designing clean and user-friendly record pages, understanding fields and section in Lightning App Builder, this video is very important to you. By the end of this video, you will learn what Lightning App Builder is, how to add fields to record pages, how to create section and organize fields, best practices for user-friendly pages. So then what is Lightning App Builder? So I will go with one example. So currently I have an object like accounts. I will open any one of the records. Click on details. Currently I have some fields, right? So in here I will click on setup, go to edit page. So once I click on edit page, so this window will be open. So this is, we call it as Lightning App Builder. So then what is exactly Lightning App Builder means? Salesforce provide a Lightning App Builder, which is a drag and drop tool used to customize Lightning pages without coding. Then what are fields in Salesforce? Fields are used to store the information inside the object record. For example, account is our object. In that account object, we have some many fields. So that fields used to store the information or data. It will store in object. For example, account name, phone number, industry, annual revenue, website. This is why I call it as fields. So then what are the sections? Sections helps to organize fields into groups. Instead of showing all the fields randomly, we can also group the fields. For example, account information, contact details, industry details, additional details, like that. So this is all we call it as sections. So then how to do that? So first we need to go to an object. So I will currently go with accounts object. You can take your object based on your project requirement. I will open one record. Go to detail page. Click on gear icon. In here, we have a multiple option. We need to select edit page option. Click on edit page. Once you click on that, it will navigate to Lightning App Builder. Click on details. In here, all my fields are randomly placed. So what I will do, I will just go to this delete option. I will click on delete. So currently my details thing is empty. So then what I will do, I will go to fields. In the right side you can see there is a fields option. Click on that. In here you have a something like field section. Just you need to drag to the main page. So once you drag, you need to give the naming for that particular section. I will give like account information. So once you give that, automatically that section will be created. So then we need to add some fields for that. So what I will add like account owner. Then account name. Account name. Same like I will add some fields for this. Now I will add one more section. That is, I just drag and drop. So my section name is additional details. So once you add that, click on that. Then we need to add some more fields like industry. I will add some fields. So I add all my fields. Then click on top. In here we have so many buttons. So if we don't want any buttons, we can directly cancel that. For example, I don't want this one also. I will delete all the buttons except edit, delete. By using Lightning App Builder, we can add Aura component buttons, or we can hide, or we can add filters for that. For example, in edit, we need to add filter like this. So based on this filter, it will work. Then if you want to set any field visibility, here also we can make it by adding filter. And also using UI behavior, we make it as that field need to be read only or required like that. So currently I will make it as account owner is read only. Currently it is in read only. Account name is required. account site is some based on your project requirement, we can do that. So then I will click on save. So once you click on save, click on activation. So once you click on activation, it will ask like org default, app record type and profile. So if you click on app default, assign as app default, you can need to select the particular app. If I select sales, click on next, it will only that particular app should have this lightning page. I will go back. I will close this one. If I click on activation again, we can also add this particular lightning page layout to particular apps, record types and profiles. So you just click on that, just select, go to next. In here you need to select which one, means desktop or phone, or you can also select both. So currently I will go with like app default. I will assign app default, click on sales, click on next for both, click on save, click on again. So once it's saved, click on again save. It's saved. Go back to your account object. So in here you can see only edit and delete buttons are there. All our sections are visible. So you go to create new also. In here also we can see only the two sections. So this is the use of Lightning App Builder. So in this tutorial we learn what is Lightning App Builder is, what is fields in Salesforce, what are sections, how to add fields and sections to the particular Lightning App page. So this is the main purpose of Lightning App Builder or Lightning page. So I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.